Today we're going to show you what two Merlin solar panels look like installed on the slide-out roof, or I should say the roof of the slide-out on my personal RV. These are two TBS180L Merlin solar panels on the slide roof of a Grand Design Imagine travel trailer. And as you can see, the panels are so thin that they can easily slide under the sweep seal for the slide out roof. So as you look at this, you can see that the slide fully seats. We wait a few seconds here, I pound on the wall, and then I have one of my employees inside start to open up the slide out. And as you see, the sweep seal has no problem, other than it being kind of a wet, cloudy day here in central Ohio. And we watch as we zoom in here to get a close-up of the sweep seal. And you can see it's only several millimeters thick, even with the seam sealing tape and all that. And if we do this on a slide out, we make sure that the solar panels end with a little bit of actual rooftop space so that the slide seal seals as normal. Thank you.